Hi, this is CS KK Agarwal, your very own direct and indirect tax faculty. I have immense pleasure in presenting the last part of section 64. This was the last slide we had done in part 3. Let us learn further. Applicability or inapplicability of service tax shall be decided with reference to location of services and not with reference to location of service provider. India with respect to land mass. DTA, any person whether resident oblique non-resident providing services in DTA service tax shall be levied. SEZ in DTA. It is a special area created by Special Economic Zone Act 2005. Any person, whether resident oblique non-resident, providing services in SEZ, service tax though levied, but government can exempt or grant refund. J&K, special area created by Constitution of India. Any person, whether resident oblique non-resident, providing services in J&K, provisions of service tax not applicable. Therefore, no service tax is levied. India with respect to sea area. Up to 12 nautical mile, all services are chargeable. Up to EEZ, that is up to 200 nautical mile, purpose oil rig service tax is chargeable. Purpose others service tax not chargeable. High seas beyond 200 nautical mile service tax not chargeable. Foreign country service tax not chargeable. Just look at the picture. In the top you are seeing land mass, Indian seas and then high seas. If you see down the land mass, then it is divided into number 1 J&K, number 2 SEZ, number 3 EOUs, export oriented undertaking, EHTP, electronic hardware technology park, STP, software technology park, and BTP. No concession has been given to them as given to SEZ. And number 4 is DTA. Do remember, chargeability of service tax depends upon the location of service and not on location of service providers. We have made some permutation and combinations for your understanding. Many other permutation could also be made, like the one seen in dotted black line. Let us concentrate on symbol A, B, C, D with arrow marks. When I say symbol A, just follow the arrow. Symbol A. Service is provided from DTA to DTA. Service tax is leviable. Symbol B. Service is provided from DTA to EOU etc. Service tax is leviable. Symbol C. Service is provided from DTA to SEZ. Service tax is leviable, but exemption can be claimed under section 93. Symbol D. Service is provided from DTA to J&K. Service tax is not leviable. Symbol E. Service is provided from J&K to DTA. Service tax is leviable. Symbol F. Service is provided from DTA to exclusive economic zone. Service provided in EEZ in oil rig, now not treated as export, therefore service tax is payable. Symbol G. Service is provided from DTA to Singapore. Service provided from India to outside India is treated as export of service, therefore service tax not leviable. Symbol H. Service is provided from Colombo to DTA. Service provided from outside India to India is treated as import of service, therefore service tax is leviable. Symbol I. Service is provided from SCZ to DTA. Service tax is leviable.